Sometimes the journey is just as breathtaking as the destination. As you make your way toward paradise, let the stunning views take your breath away. This isn't just a vacation, it's a journey to ultimate relaxation. Arriving at your private haven, you'll be greeted by the sounds of the ocean, the gentle waves, and the promise of unforgettable moments. Welcome to your beachfront retreat. It's time to experience true luxury. Book your stay at our luxury beachfront villa in Samaji now.